So today I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT Plus free plan. So make sure you follow these steps, then you succeed to set up ChatGPT Premium. For all of these steps, I'm going to show you. So we use a VPN, and I recommend you to use Surfshark. If you don't have premium Surfshark, DM in my WhatsApp or Telegram, then you give me something, I give you a premium Surfshark account, email with password. So we will start by signing in with an email using the VPN again. So the VPN is connected while you sign in your Google account. So after here, you're gonna scroll down, then go to Play Store, then you're gonna sign in using our email. Remember, we have connected to the UK VPN or Bangladesh, one of it. Now I'm going to enter my email, then password, then boom, I'm signing in now. Yes, you mean agree everything, then we are in. Then after this method, we are going again to Surfshark, then go to Chrome. Let's say go to Chrome, not Surfshark, then continue with email. Yes, you in. The email you have signed in with it, then continue with the email. So after that, we're gonna go to this to connect to the Bangladesh VPN. So I'm going to search bar, type for Bangladesh. So let me look Bangladesh, this one. So allow, then connecting, allow it to connect, then next, then allow. So we are connected to Bangladesh. So after this, open your Chrome browser, then type in payments.google.com. This is where we're going to set a payment card, a fake payment card. So you're gonna click on add payment method, then wait for it to load. Then we're here, we are going to paste our CC. So this CC is in our Telegram. So go copy this binary, then go to namso.gen here. So we're here, click on basic, the first option, this one, then choose advanced, then paste the binary here we copied, this one, format, then choose the month and the year depending on the details I have pasted in our Telegram or WhatsApp group or channel. So choose a month, expiration date, then year. After that, paste in your CC. CC is just random, then click generate. So our cards has been generated here. So click and copy any. So I'm going to copy the first one, this one. Let's go back to Chrome, then I'm going to paste here my card. So my card is MasterCard, then copy the CC and this, the month of expiration, the year, then the CC. We have not chosen a Bangladesh country, so let's choose the country first. So let me say, let's choose Bangladesh, this one. Now let's copy the card's number again. Now I'm going to paste them here, the card numbers. It's a MasterCard, this one, then the month of expiration, the year, then the CC. The CC is this one. So I'm going to paste the CC. Then the addresses are in my WhatsApp or Telegram channel. So these addresses, you copy them exactly because they will not connect if they are wrong. So this one, postal code, this one. Now after that, click on save. So this card will be saved automatically. If you don't use VPN, it will not be saved. So save it. Now that has been added successfully. Now let's go on. Let's go back. Here the card is loading. Then you can edit this payment method anytime. So this is how I have set it a payment method. We can use it for everything, free trial and app, not ChatGPT only. And I recommend you not to use clone ChatGPT because premium will not be accepted. So close this, connect the UK now. Disconnect Bangladesh VPN, then connect UK VPN. This now will set Chat. So after connect these, we're gonna go back and click on ChatGPT. So after here, click on Premium Plus, then click on Upgrade to Plus. Then wait for it to load the payment method. Automatically our card is here. So click on Subscribe. Click on Subscribe. Then we'll get a free plan. Remember, we use VPN for these methods. If you don't have a premium Surfshark email, I said DM me. I give you it with a password, email with password. So we have successfully created ChatGPT Premium. If you have any queries, then just write it in the comments. I'll work on it. Finally, guys, thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next video.